Yeah, sorry.
I'm like the only one.
You was that Cuphead? It's Cuphead. Cuphead. Well, what's up, everybody? And today we're doing Airplane Story 3. Let's just get in around by yourselves. Because no one wants to. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Yes, a bacon joined us. Anthony, wouldn't it be cool? What if we had the same display name and we had the same avatar?
Oh, that'd be so funny.
I'm the one here. Sorry, you can't sit here.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, we have a meeting here.
Hey, you in big trouble for copying my username. BarnFart11 YouTube, or you copied BarnFart10. So
No, you
you in
did.
big trouble. So you did it.
Welcome, everyone. I'm saying that. You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. Yeah. You're wondering why I gathered you guys here. Yeah, you're probably wondering.
You know, are you wondering why I got your...
Look, it's just us. It's just us. Just
Everyone just left.
I think everybody doesn't like us.
Yeah, I'm
I'm the Robloxia State's Army General.
Oh, I got the best answers ever.
Call me General Poncho from this point on. Everything I say should be taken as an order. Or else you will be expelled from the team.
Won't be expelled anymore. What is this?
Please take a seat.
Okay. If you don't, you die. Don't you die. If you don't, you die. I can't believe you don't sit in a seat, you die. So it's just a chair. Yeah. It's the best airplane ever. Because it is.
Let's get to the point.
Because it is. Start target Ronald.
His name is Ronald. Ronald McDonald's. We have investigated, and all we know is he's a dangerous Robloxian. What did he do? That is where we are heading. Wait, okay, you say your line and I'll say my line, okay? Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane.
Everyone in the plane must be in danger.
I barely heard you. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe.
Okay.
Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. But how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me.
Open the door. Open the door. Now I'm just gonna stay right in the middle.
General's so slow. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but he's really slow.
Yeah. I am. God.
Wait, I'm gonna go see exclaim. I'm gonna go exclaim avatar. What is that emote? Usual summoning. What? You paid 250 Robux for that. Nice job.
Yeah, I did. It's just too good. That's why. God almost like. That's why this evil is just the goodest evil ever, and the best evil for everything for you.
Going down. I'm gonna do this side. Cause I'm gonna look like a real one. Look, I'm a real like military guy. Wait, I'll do red and green, and you do like the other side, okay?
Okay, I will. I'm actually such a good. You're like the only
But
one.
first, let's get everyone set up. No one is leaving this place without a military out. We already picked our. Please take one behind you.
I'm a rookie too.
Yeah. I like blue. Blue's cool.
I like the
Looking
I
good.
think it looks like a
Believe we are ready. I believe we are. Let's check the system.
Let's go.
Checking the plane. I wanna do that.
No feels.
Wait,
And I'm jumping.
7. Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel. We will need to fill the plane completely before we can take off. That is a fuel nozzle. There are 4 of them around the cave. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. I'll do it, not you. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. I will fill the tank once all the nozzles are in place. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna get this nozzle.
Hope I don't die.
Me too. What happens if you touch the laser? Will you like instantly die?
I don't think so. Imagine you instant died. I think you might instant die.
Oh
for some
no.
reason.
Come on, you gotta hurry up. I already did the
Okay,
first
well-
one.
I got the yellow ones.
And I'm already literally finished. I'm already finished. Yeah, I'm already finished. I'm just gonna wait for you.
I'm almost done.
I'm just gonna
I can't
I'm
collide
under the plane.
You know why? It's because I don't know why I couldn't click it. I can't click it.
No, you're not supposed to click it. Excellent. All nozzles are connected. No, you have to put it in, like filling the tank now. You have to like go in front of it.
I literally went in front of it. It literally didn't even work. So I don't know.
No, you didn't. You went behind it.
No.
Yeah. Like actually. No. I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark, and that's Pilot Bark. He will be our pilot through this mission.
That looks like me for some reason.
System is ready, General. Please start the engine, pilot. Starting the engine. Oh, looks like it's turning on. Engine's ready. Wait, what about the other guy? What about him? Opening the back door. Oh no, we're gonna get crushed! Ah!
Whoa.
Oh, we kind of didn't. Oh, it would be way much better if we if we were in the front of it. But look, he's still, look at his hands. Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door. Look at his hands.
What the heck? Oh, I just
Like I'm doing it right now. Like, I'm doing it right now. It's like,
yeah. Like he's like putting the floor right now. You gotta put the floor right now.
like, why is he still doing that? Closing door. Prepare for takeoff. Yes.
Weirdest bug.
Good luck, soldiers. But I'm the real soldier. He's an epic member.
No.
So I'm the only soldier here.
No, I'm the epic member.
We are now flying in the kidnapped plane direction. Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. Let's eat a banana. There is something about the Ronald guy.
I'll eat the banana. Or else you die.
At first sight, he looks like a good person. Ronald was the president. Why would he do something like that?
Because his parents died.
General, what are these bananas for? Yeah, what are these bananas for? Can I eat them? Oh, I thought you could be hungry.
No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Here, everyone, have a
I'm
banana.
not eating it. Should not eat that.
You might use the
I'm not
energy
eating
for
the
later.
I'm not eating that. I'm not eating it.
Wait,
It's poison.
don't eat the banana.
I told you, it's
It's poisoned. Oh no. What? Haha. I'm just kidding. What? It's an old prank. That's not funny, General. Wait, I should be saying that because I ate the banana. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. Anyways, we'll be flying in a few. You might as well take a nap. Anthony, do you see this? Where are we? Like, are we in the waterfall or something? Like, what? I will wake you up when it's time.
Where are we? We're literally like in the middle here. Middle.
Is that the giant skeleton? Giant skeleton. Time to wake up, everyone. Yeah, I'm sleeping. It's nighttime and it looks like we are inside a storm.
Oh, definitely the whole entire night. Oh.
General, we are struck by lightning.
Oh, we're definitely.
Our right motor is critical danger. It's in critical danger. Does that mean we will die?
Yes. Yes, you will die.
No. Okay, everyone, chill.
No, it's okay.
I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Wait, out there? Yeah, out there. Yeah, out there. Yeah, out there, out there. Don't worry, I'll fall off. This is so scary, I'm gonna fall off. The storm is getting worse. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Hello, what's up? And you just see this guy in the window. Hello. Cover me and try not to get struck by lightning. Okay, I'll cover you.
He fell. That's so funny. He fell.
Okay, I'll just cover him.
Yeah,
Oh wait,
he
there's
fell.
Don't worry, I'll cover you.
That's
Why did
what
he
we're covering
fall?
you. That man is.
He's still alive though.
I'm so... He still survived. Ooh, I'm 1 HP. I'm 1 HP. I'm 1 HP.
What if I do like the hero landing? And then, oh, that was actually really close.
I'm scared. I'm scared that we will
Six? Shrug?
Oh, I'm sad. He is 1 HP.
Wait.
Alright,
The motor is fixed now!
wait, how do you fix the motor?
Oh, he's back!
Teleported.
I've never seen such a strong storm.
Never seen that? How old are you?
No, strong storm. Ah! What is that? Is that a skeleton?
Is that a skeleton? Is that...
You will not stop this fate. Burn. Anthony, if the plane's moving in front of him, then he's floating and stuff like that. He's floating. When he's floating, like he's literally going like this. He's literally floating and going like this, like, and he's backing up, cause the plane's like going forward, right? And then he's backing up, and he's floating. He's floating like this.
He's floating like this. He's floating like this.
Yeah, but that's jumping. We didn't see no skeleton, General. Never mind. Let's keep moving. Yeah, that's jumping, right? Yeah, that's jumping. That's jumping. Mine's floating. Look, it's floating for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. For 9 seconds. Yours is floating for like 2 seconds because it's a jump. Perfect. Everyone pay close attention. You'll sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. I'm gonna do every emote I have. This one, 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 and this one. We're on the plane! This is it. We are in the plane. Look, he's still doing he's still just crouching and trying to fix it. It looks like Ronald covered the door.
Ronald McDonald covered the door.
I wanted to do this my whole life.
What?
Oh no. We better hurry. Check the storage. See if you can find anything to open the door. It's probably like a...
We can find 30 keys.
Hammer! Great, you found a hammer. Yes, I found a hammer. That will work. Oh.
You just did the board. We're here, Ronald McDonald.
This is over. It's over, Ronald. How did you get here?
Ronald McDonald said.
Why you walk so slow? There's no time to go after him.
Then why are we still here?
We need to save everyone on the plane first. Save everyone. Save everyone. Save everyone. Even the baby. Boop, 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 boop. General, I inform all noobs now safe in the air. Where did they go? They like disappeared. Great, but there is still one left. Where?
The captain. Open that door. Did I kill him? I don't remember. I have played the game. I think he kills the captain.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, Robert is I think I hear him.
Look, I just took a picture of it.
No, I don't want to be the hero.
We trust you, AABY Joker.
Be the hero. What I am the hero.
Ronald, open the door. We can work this out.
We can fart together. We can work together. We can destroy
Ronald,
the whole planet together.
let the captain go. You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. You do deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. Let's fart together.
Wait.
Let's do that.
What about after two?
Oh, what is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what you made us. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there was no one there. All I ever wanted is a friend. Which is you, ATABY. You'll be, and we can be friends. Come on. You don't have friends. You're crazy. Wait, what? Yeah, you sound just like everybody else. Why did you choose that? Why did you choose that?
Because I did.
But like, actually, we got the bad ending. General, the captain room is burning.
I told you I'm not the superhero.
There is no time the plane is going to explode. Take this parachute.
I'm out.
I took the parachute. What? But General, what about Ronald and the captain?
I'm out.
We need to leave or we will not make it out alive. Yeah, we will probably be dead. Oh no.
You know why I choose the bad ending? Because I didn't get the bad ending. I had to.
Well, we need to do this for a video. The back emergency door is open. We need to get
Making a
them
video?
and jump.
Whoa! Wait, where we go?
Ow.
Wait, what? Where do we go? Oh! We're gonna go over here like this. You make it alive? Hey, you could do, maybe we could do all the endings in this video.
Okay.
Should we do all the endings in this video?
Which is the other one?
The good ending.
Yeah. Which is the
good
other
ending
one?
and the bad ending.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do the other one.
Which is the good one? Yeah. Which is the good one?
Let's
The
go.
noobs that we saved.
Noobs. These noobs are just too good, though. They're too good at dancing.
Cause,
Tanner, you're gonna be
cause
the hero.
I'm just gonna cut this video, okay? I'm just gonna cut half of the part. Okay. General put. Look, we needed her teddy bear. We are glad everyone made it back. Wait, teddy bear. Not everyone. We lost the
There'll be,
captain
like, a secret ending.
and Ronald. It's a shame we lost the captain. Oh, his name is Alex.
Alex, my dad.
Ronald died as a bad person. At least he won't haunt anyone else.
Ronald McDonald.
We'll try to get the teddy bear. Look, he's dead.
Oh, he's dead?
Everything went according to the plan.
No, why?
But don't you worry, my child.
What? Oh. What? What is this?
You will have your revenge.
Oh. That's a bad ending. Victory? How is that a victory? We got the bad ending.
But that is a victory. It's because we survived.
Hey, let's just...
Oh yeah, I should have took a
Captain
picture of
Steven.
it. Great, but there is still one left. Captain. This is it.
Ronald Makeup. You're also gonna be the hero.
I don't know how to choose.
So you have to go in front of like the green thing. Go inside like the green. Like go inside it.
Okay. Oh, hi guys, we're back. I will do it. Alright. We trust you, Barney Fart 10. Okay.
We trust you.
Ronald, open the door. Yeah, open the door, Ronald. We can work this out.
Okay. Hey, Ronald McDonald. What's up? We always missed you.
Ronald, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. We already
Really?
read this part.
Really? We do not understand math. We don't even understand 1 + 1 = 3.
Listen to what I'm going to say.
That's the bad ending, I think.
It's too late for that.
Daddy's gonna burn.
General, the captain room is burning. I'll say that. There is no time. The plane is about to explode. But General, what about Ronald and the captain? We need to leave or we will not make it out alive.
The easiest obby hours.
That emergency door's open. We need to get there and jump.
Yeah, cool.
Woo!
Okay, give the teddy bear to that person, okay?
Okay. I see them. Look, that's our plane.
I want to see a cool ending this time.
isn't there. Where is she?
No, she spawns, but later. Just go where she was.
Oh.
Because I didn't see her there before, but I think she spawns later.
Okay.
So just spawn where she was. Just like go where she was. Like she was like right here or something. Like, you know.
I know. Yo, look! This thing is headless! Look! This guy's headless. His head fell off!
He
His head fell off!
what? Yo,
happened?
someone killed him or something?
Someone killed here, like someone punched his head really hard that it like ripped off. Oh. I think she's gonna spawn now because the black.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, she's right there.
Here you go. I got
Click
the
on her
secret
maybe,
ending.
but
Sniff. Sniff.
what?
Secret ending. I got it.
You got what?
The secret ending. Hey, little girl.
Oh, I didn't get
brought
the
you
secret
a teddy
ending.
bear. I brought you this teddy bear. Thank you. It's
I didn't
just
get
like
the
one
secret
my dad
ending.
gave me.
See, I didn't get the secret ending.
I will always remember him like the great captain he was. The captain! When I grow up, I will be a captain just like him. And then you're gonna crash a plane. And I promise I will protect the world from bad guys like Ronald. That's great. I hope you do. Anyways, what's your name, little girl? My name is Keely. Wait, what? Wait!
I didn't get the secret ending. Why did I get the secret ending?
That was the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching.
I'm getting the secret ending. I'm sorry, I'm getting the secret ending.
Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Peace out.